we set up systems in a home or enterprise, we keep the front clean, no pipes inside. Cables hidden neatly, every line disguised. A tidy installation, done exactly right. And when we fix the cameras outside on the wall, we use the waterproof clip that comes with them all. Some people skip it and the water gets inside. Connector fails later and problems start to rise. 4 buildings standing, all wired as one. Every cable running to the P